So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a comparison between these two Shark rocket vacuums. I've got a big mess. We're gonna see how they clean up on this carpet, and then we're gonna try hardwood floors. The one on the right is model number HV322. The one on the left is model number HV301. Here's what the cleaning heads look like. They're both corded stick vacuum cleaners. So they both store the same. You're gonna simply just store the vacuum cleaner. There's a little hook right here. Then you're gonna wrap the cord around so you can see they both look the same when they're stored. Both of them have a 4.2 amp motor, 4.2 amp motor. Okay, price-wise, these are kind of all over the place. Typically, they're around $130. Right now, this one's $185. These are both on Amazon. This one's $130. I bought both of mine used, so be sure and check those out. I got them both for around $100. There was some minor defects, but they still work really well. Again, they both have the same motor. This one's lighter weight. They both have the rubber grip right here. So if you're prone to getting blisters right there when you're vacuuming, they both have that same rubber grip. But I thought they feel good in your hand when you're vacuuming. I like that you don't have to pull a trigger or anything. Again, foot release on this one. Again, no LED light on this one. I didn't find that to be that big a deal. These seem like older Shark vacuum cleaners, but they still sell a bunch of them. So again, I am an Amazon affiliate and a Walmart affiliate. If you see the links down below and you click on those, I do get a commission from the sale, but the products don't cost you anymore. I bought these products with my own money, and that's a way of helping support my channel, because the purpose behind my channel is I want to help you as the consumer. I have the same questions that I think a lot of people do, is why are there so many Shark vacuum cleaners? They look the same. They have different names. They obviously, they're all different colors. But I really want to demystify that for people, is like, what is the actual differences between these Shark vacuum cleaners and which one do I prefer? So that's the reason behind these reviews. I hope this helps. If there's something you would like to see reviewed, leave it in the comments down below. Again, hit the thumbs up button. That helps out my YouTube channel. And I really appreciate everybody's support. And if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.